Subtracting whole numbers. Pause the video and try examples 3 and 4. In example 3, we write down the first number and then the second number goes below it, and we're going to take away the second number, making sure each digit is in the correct column. We have to find, which we could use the word work out or evaluate or calculate, as it will be in example 4. It all means just get the number, the result. So 3 take away 7 we can't do because 7 is bigger than 3. So we go to the tens column and we change the 5 into a 4. So we're borrowing 10 and carrying it over to the units column. 13 take away 7 gives us 6. Then 4 take away 2 is 2, and 8 take away 3 is 5. Example 4, 723 minus 456. We start with the units. We can't do 6 from 3, so we have to go to the 2, the tens column, and borrow a 10. Carry it back over. And then we've got 13 take away 6, which is 7. We have 1 take away 5, which we can't do. So we go to the hundreds column, and we'll change that 7 to be a 6. Borrow 100 and move it over, which makes that 11. And then we have 11 take away 5, which is 6. And then in the hundreds column, 6 take away 4, which gives 2.